This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the ruler in Adobe Illustrator. I will be using Adobe Illustrator 2023 for this. Let me jump over to Illustrator here. Okay, I have Illustrator opened up here. Sorry about my voice here, I'm getting over a cold. To hide or show the ruler in Adobe Illustrator, very simple to do. There's two ways you can do it. One way is to go up to the View tab, click on the View tab, then you want to go down to where it says Rulers. Then you'll go straight across to where it says Show Rulers. The keyboard shortcut for the ruler is Ctrl R. I would assume on a Mac it would be Command R. But as you can see right up here, the ruler is now showing at the top and off to the left side. And to turn it off, you could either go back to View and down to Ruler, then over to Hide Ruler, or you could press Ctrl R. Now it is off again. That is how you hide or show the ruler in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching.